Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class quadratic equations. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. Reference is here. Here we have four sums. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 12. Two x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Rough. 2x square into minus 6 is equal to minus 12x square. Here we have minus, so subtraction and different signs. Factors for 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. If we subtract the factors, we should get the middle one, and if we multiply these, we should get this one. So minus 3x plus 4x is plus x, tallied. Minus 3x into 4x is minus 12x square, tallied. Checked both. Now 2x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now from these two, x is common. 2x square by x. 2x square by x is 2x. So this 2x is here. And minus 3x by x is minus 3. So this minus 3 is here. And 4x and minus 6 are there. From these two, plus 2 is common. 4x by 2 is 2x. This is here. And minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. This minus 3 is here, equal to 0. Both these brackets are same. So 2x minus 3 is common. Then x plus 2 remains here. That is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 3 or x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3 by 2 or minus 2. Answers. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Root 2x square into 5 root 2 is 10x square. Here we have positive sign. So after addition of factors, we should get 7x. And they should have same signs. 10 is nothing but 1 into 10 or 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So we take 2x and 5x. Since we need positive sign and same signs, plus 2x plus 5x. Plus 2x into plus 5x is plus 10x square, checked. And plus 2x plus 5x is plus 7x, here we have. So this is also checked. Now we should write root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x and plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. From these two, root 2x is common. In this 2, we have root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 is common. Root 2x square by root 2x is x. This x is here. Plus 2x by root 2x. 2x by root 2x. X cancel. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So that root 2 is here. This root 2 is here. Plus 5 is common. 5x by 5 is x. Here we have. Plus 5 root 2 by 5 is 5 cancel root 2. Here we have root 2 equal to 0. X plus root 2 is common now. X plus root 2 into root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2 or root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. X is equal to minus root 2 or minus 5 by root 2. These are the roots. Here 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. So here we have a fraction. So we will take LCM for 1, 1 and 8. 8 is LCM. 8 by 1 is 8. That 8 into 2x square is 16x square. Minus 8 by 1 is 8. That 8 into x is 8x. Plus 8 by 8 is 1. That 1 into 1 is 1. That is equal to 0. Cross multiplication. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 into 1. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 8 into 0 is 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we will factorize and solve. Now 16x square into 1 is 16x square. Here we have positive sign, so addition and same signs. Now for 16, these are the factors: 1 into 16, 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. If we add these factors, we should get the middle one, 8. So minus 4x, since we need same signs and since we have minus here, both the signs should have minus. Minus 4x, minus 8x tallied here. And if we multiply these two, we should get this minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16, x into x, x square. So now we can write these two instead of minus 8x. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. From these two, 4x is common. 16x square by 4x is 4x. This 4x is here. And minus 4x by 4x is minus 1. This minus 1 is here. And from these two, minus 1 is common. Minus 4x by minus 1 is 4x. This is here. And plus 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. This minus 1 is here. That is equal to 0. Now, from these two, 4x minus 1 is common. And this 4x minus 1 is here. That is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1 after coming to the right hand side. Here also 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 or x is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 answers. Here we have 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 12. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. We have formula here. 3 into a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see here. X square minus 2 into x into 4 is 8x plus 4 square is 16. Minus into plus minus 5x. Minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 and this plus 12 comes to the left hand side and becomes minus 12, that is equal to 0. Now 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3 into minus 8x minus 24x plus 3 into plus 16 plus 48 minus 5x plus 20 minus 12 is plus 8, that is equal to 0. Now 3x square minus 24x minus 5x. If same signs, addition, same sign, minus 29x plus 48 plus 8 is plus 56 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we will factorize and solve. Now 3x square into 56 is 168. So this is 168x square. This is positive here. So addition and same signs. Factors for 168, 3 into 56. And 56 can be written as 7 into 8. So now 3 into 7 is 21, 21 into 8 or 8 into 21. 8 plus 21 is 29 and 8 into 21 is 168. Since we need same signs and since we have minus here, both are negatives. Minus 8x minus 21x is minus 29x, tallied here, checked. And minus into minus plus 8 into 21 is 168, x into x is x square. So here also we check tallied. Now we should write these two instead of minus 29x. 3x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 56 is equal to 0. From these two, x is common. 3x square by x is 3x. This 3x is here. Minus 8x by x is minus 8. This minus 8 is here. Here we have minus. Minus is common. And from these two, 7 is common. Minus 21x by minus 7 is 3x. This 3x is here. Plus 56 by minus 7 is minus 8. This minus 8 is here, equal to 0. From these two, 3x minus 8 is common. And x minus 7 remains here, equal to 0. Either 3x minus 8 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 8 becomes plus 8 after coming to the right hand side. and similarly x is equal to 7. X is equal to 8 by 3 or x is equal to 7. X is equal to 8 by 3 or 7 answers.